Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy TechieNoob here. Now, some of you might remember a video I made a while back showing you how to get unlimited Google Photo storage on your Android phone. Well, Google keeps changing things, and that method might not work for everyone anymore. But don't worry, because today, I've got an updated method for you. This still works on any non-rooted Android phone and will give you that sweet unlimited photo and video backup we all crave. This new method involves using a patched version of the Google Photos app, thanks to the awesome folks at Revanced. The first thing you'll need to do is install the Revanced patched version of Google Photos. Now, this comes into flavors depending on your phone's architecture, a 32-bit APK and a 64-bit APK. Once you've downloaded the correct Google Photos app, the next app you'll need is Revanced Microg. This is essential for the patched Google Photos app to work correctly with your Google account. You encounter an issue installing either the Google Photos app or Microg. Open the Google Play Store app, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, and then go to Play Protect. Here, you'll see a setting called Scan Apps with Play Protect. Temporarily turn this setting off. Once both apps are installed, the next step is to set up Microg. Open the Revanced Microg app. You'll likely see a screen asking you to add an account. Go ahead and log in with your Google account that you want to use for unlimited storage. Great, now that you're logged into Microg, it's time to open the Revanced patched Google Photos app. You might be prompted to choose an account. Make sure you select the same Google account you just logged into in Microg. And that's it, you should now have unlimited storage within this patched Google Photos app. You can usually tell the difference between the original and the patched version by the app icon or perhaps a slightly different interface. Feel free to explore the settings and confirm that the storage limitations are gone. So there you have it, a simple way to get unlimited Google Photo storage on your non-rooted Android phone using the latest Revanced method. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if this method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.